welcome to Vlogmas Say 5. So, the little puggy lady's being real nosy. Someone's got the cats are gone. Blah, 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 blah. It's December 5th, obviously. I'm having a heck of a time getting my videos uploaded on Google Drive so I can download them and edit Vlogmas. So 3 and 4 are still not out yet. I don't feel bad because like stuff happens and who watches these anyway. But for consistency's sake, I wasn't able to edit my vlog yesterday. Today, semi-busy, hopefully also a partly exciting day. I've got to bake a cake, or I've already baked it. I've got to decorate a cake for an event. I've got to fold my laundry. Not exciting. I think Taylor and I are gonna go maybe out to a wildlife refuge or go hiking or something outdoorsy because it's a little chilly today, but he's from almost Canada, and I like the cold, especially when I'm like doing outdoorsy stuff like hiking, because you can bundle up and then also shed layers once you start sweating. So I'm looking forward to it. Let's open our Hogwarts Advent. Number 5 is Long and Skinny. Wonder what that could be. It's still there. Okay, it's a pencil, looks like a classic number 2, and it says bruh. Is he gonna focus on it? Focus on me. No, not gonna focus. It says Expelliarmus. I'm waiting for the frosting to soften a little bit for this cake because I put it. It's cream cheese frosting, so it has to stay refrigerated. And I made it last night, so I have to thaw it or soften it just a little bit before I can assemble the cake. I also need to go get a frosting bag though, because I forgot that I don't own any. So I'm gonna go do that in just a few. I'm gonna try and figure out these photos first, or these videos first for Vlogmas, and trying to edit that before I do any cake decorating. But I'll keep you informed.